Enjoy the healthiest yet the very tasty salad today. A protein burst loaded with nutrition and taste. Don't forget about the taste. Yes, welcome friends here in Rani Cooks again with a lovely salad. So I have taken here boneless chicken cubes. You can take chicken with bones also. This first I'm going to marinate with some hung curd. This curd is homemade curd, some kasuri methi, a little bit of red chili powder. I have used Kashmiri red chili powder, salt according to your taste. Now goes a little bit of Indian garam masala. You can skip this if you don't want to. Half a teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste and mustard oil 1 tablespoonful. Now I'll mix everything very nicely, and this marinade is wonderful, tasty, delicious and aromatic. I'll keep this for half an hour. Here I have chopped few vegetables like capsicum, carrot, cabbage. Then goes few cubes of garlic. Now my marination is ready. I will air fry it. Place the chicken on the air fry tray. You can use here butter paper also, but I prefer doing it directly. Arrange nicely. Though it is a salad, but it's not that boring one which you will like to avoid, but rather you'll like to have it daily. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible. Now here goes into the air fryer 185 degree. Set the power at 185 degree. Actually this power varies according to your machine. Now I will air fry it for 15 minutes. In between you can turn once. Though I haven't turned it. Now here I will be taking a pan. To this I'll be adding a little bit of olive oil, say half a teaspoonful of olive oil, just to smear the pan. See the amount of oil, friends. When the oil is heated, to this first I will be adding the carrots. Friends, those who are new to my channel today, please, my humble request, please do subscribe and be a part of my family. Now here goes the capsicum which I have chopped. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized capsicum and 1 medium-sized carrot. I'll fry them for 1 minute and I'll cover it for a few seconds. Just look at the color, friends. Here goes the cover. Just for a few seconds to trap the moisture. Nicely fried. To this I'm going to add the cabbage. All the vegetables should remain crunchy. They should not become soggy. Take care of that. To this goes a little bit of salt and freshly ground black pepper powder. That's the only seasoning required here. Black pepper powder. Stir everything just for a minute or so, not more than that, and cover it and keep it aside until the chicken is done. It's nicely done now. The crunch and the color is retained and it's cooked. Now I'll make a dressing. Here goes 2 tablespoonful of hung curd. Again, I'm using my homemade curd. This dressing is really going to be very interesting and very tasty. Now here goes the cloves of garlic and coriander leaf. If you have parsley, you can add parsley also. A dash of honey, little bit of honey actually, 1/4 teaspoonful of honey, and goes olive oil, 2 teaspoonful of olive oil. Instead of olive oil, you can add sesame oil also. Here I have used olive oil, extra light olive oil. Salt according to taste. Remember, we have already added salt to the vegetable and the chicken both. Now goes the churning. Here is our dressing ready. Let's look at the chicken. Oh, it's nicely done, very nice. Now I'll cut them into small pieces, or you can keep them like that also. I'm just halving them. Look at the chicken, they are so soft, so nicely cooked and so juicy. Now comes the assembling portion. Here I will be taking a bowl. To this I'm going to add the sauteed vegetable. Goes the chicken. The dressing. You can use this dressing as a dip also. Chili flakes. I have added a little bit of chili oil which I have missed showing, but that is entirely optional. You can leave that. A little bit of dressing more. I don't want to waste the dressing, so I have added all of it. Mix very nicely. It's almost ready to serve with the final surprise of a boiled egg. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and black pepper on the eggs, and your super tasty weight cutter, delicious yet healthy, loaded with protein salad is ready. Try it, friends. I will be waiting for your feedback. Thank you for watching.